What are you gonna do?
Tell her.
What are you gonna do? Brush your teeth? Okay, do it.
1, 2, do it
That's
right
not
now.
brushing.
1, 2,
He's
3.
basically like kissing his toothbrush.
I'm gonna count to 60. Do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up and down, front and back. 7, 8, 9.
You're gonna have germs that are gonna live in the back of your teeth, and they're gonna have to drill into your brain to get the germs
11,
out.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Don't hurt your mouth. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31,
Ew.
32, 33.
Get those back teeth. The top teeth.
34.
Top teeth.
34, 35,
I
36.
thought he was gonna poop for a second.
37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Do underneath the back, up under, behind these teeth here. See, there are bugs that like to hide. See?
Where do they like to hide, Grandma?
Right under there, in between this crack and where the egg and
Show us one more time where they like to hide.
right there.
Can I watch the video?